Hello, this is Mr. Allegro's tutorial on how to get to Google Drive starting from scratch. First, as you see, I have my desktop open on any computer. I go down to click my Google Chrome app button, and that brings up a new fresh web page. I always make sure I'm on the Google website, which is google.com, Google.com. And we type it right up here in the toolbar. We then go over to our sign in button. Now with our sign in button, we want to put in our school email. And press next. That brings us to our password. Never show anybody your password. Ask a teacher or ask the technology people in the library for help if you forgot your password or you even forgot your email address. Once we signed in, you can see up in the right-hand corner, your first initial should appear. Then we get over to the Apps section. We want to click on the Google Apps section, which will bring us up to a bunch of icons. One of the icons should always be Drive. It's the triangle-looking green, yellow, blue sided object. If you can't find it directly when you click on your apps, try using the More button. All I do is click on Drive, and that should bring me up to my drive, which has been updated as of today. It is easy to find something you were just working on, say yesterday or last period, in your recent section. And everything again is categorized by when you filled it out and who else has access. If something was shared to you by a teacher, always try to find it in the Share with Me part of your drive. Again, trying to find something within everything, the most easiest section to do that would be in My Drive, and you can look up any type of file, whether it be a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, a Google Form, a Google presentation. Anything would come up. Thanks again.